It kills me not to know this, but I've all but just forgotten what the color of her eyes were, and her scars or how she got them. As the telling signs of age rain down, a single tear is dropping through the valleys of an aging face that this world has forgotten. Reconciliation that will put me in my place, and there is no time like a present to drink these draining seconds. But seldom do these words ring true when I'm constantly failing you. Walls that we just can't break through until it disappears. So tell me now, sustained love, and how do we get out? 'Cause I don't know. That's when she said I don't hate you, but I just wanna save you while there's still something left.
Step outside, somebody claims to see the light. It seems to me that all of us have lost our patience, 'cause everyone thinks they're right, and nobody thinks that there just might be more than one road to our final destination. But I'm not ever gonna know if I'm right or wrong, 'cause we're all going in the same direction, and I'm not sure which way to go, because all along we've been going in the same direction. tired of playing games, of looking for someone else to blame for all the holes and answers that are clearly showing. For something to fill the space was all of the time I spent a waste, 'cause so many choices point the same way. I was going